Hello and welcome back to English Unleashed. My name is Tom, and I am so happy you are here to practice with me today. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever stood in a line, maybe waiting for a coffee, and it's completely silent? Or have you ever sat next to someone at work or on a bus and wanted to say something friendly, but you didn't know how to start? If you have ever felt this way, you are not alone. Starting a conversation, especially in a new language, can feel scary. But what if I told you there is a simple, powerful tool that can help you break the silence, create a friendly atmosphere, and feel more confident in any situation? That tool is called small talk. Today, we are going to master the art of small talk. This is not about having deep, serious discussions. It's about learning the short, friendly conversations we use every day. I am going to give you over 100 useful sentences that you can start using immediately. I will speak slowly and clearly, and you will have a chance to practice with me. By the end of this video, you will have the keys to start a conversation with anyone, anywhere. So get ready to listen, repeat, and unlock your confidence. Let's begin. Part 1. What is small talk and why is it so important? Before we jump into the phrases, let's quickly understand what small talk is and why it's such a crucial part of speaking English naturally. Small talk is simply a short, friendly conversation. It's not deep. It's not serious. It's the simple, light conversation we use every day to connect with people. It's a fundamental part of daily life in many English-speaking cultures. So, why is it so important? First, it breaks the silence. It's a polite way to start a conversation and avoid awkward, quiet moments. Second, it creates a friendly atmosphere. When you make small talk, you show that you are open and approachable. It makes people around you feel more comfortable. At work, for example, good small talk helps build good relationships with your colleagues. Third, it shows interest in other people. Even a simple question like, "How was your weekend?" shows that you are polite and that you acknowledge the person you are talking to. And here is the best news. You don't need perfect grammar to make small talk. You don't need to use long, complex sentences. You just need a few natural phrases. And today, we are going to learn a lot of them. The goal is to help you sound more natural and feel more confident in English. Part 2. The Golden Rules of Small Talk. There are a few simple rules to remember for good small talk. Rule number 1. Keep the topics light. We avoid heavy topics like politics or personal problems. Instead, we talk about safe and universal topics. We talk about the weather, about the weekend, about traffic, about coffee, about everyday things. Rule number 2. Keep it simple and polite. Your sentences should be short, friendly, and easy to understand. The goal is not a long discussion, but a brief, pleasant exchange. Rule number 3. Match the situation. The best small talk is relevant to where you are. The things you say at work will be different from the things you say to a neighbor or to someone at a coffee shop. That's why, in our practice session, we are going to organize the phrases by different situations. Now that we know the rules, it's time to practice. I will say a sentence, and I will leave a short pause. In that pause, I want you to repeat the sentence out loud. This is our shadowing practice. It will help you remember the phrases and improve your pronunciation. Are you ready? Let's get started. Part 3. Small Talk in Action. Your practice session. We will now go through different situations where you can use small talk. Let's begin with the easiest and most common topic of all. Category 1. The weather. The weather is a perfect topic for small talk because it's something everyone experiences. It's safe, easy, and universal. Let's practice. Lovely day, isn't it? It's really cold today. Looks like it might rain. Can you believe this heat? It's been raining all week. Such strange weather lately. Finally, some sunshine. It's freezing out there. Feels like spring is coming. I didn't expect it to snow today. Excellent! See how easy that was? Now let's move to another very common place for small talk. Category 2. At work. Small talk at work is great for building good relationships with your colleagues. It makes the office a more comfortable place. Let's practice some common phrases for the workplace. Busy day? How's your project going? Did you catch the meeting this morning? I could use another coffee. Almost the weekend, huh? That was a long meeting. The office is quiet today. Got any plans after work? Nice to see you in person. Great job. Now let's talk about situations outside of work. Category 3. In public places. When you are in a public place, a little small talk can create a warm and friendly atmosphere. Is this seat taken? The line is moving slowly, huh? Busy place today. I come here a lot. Do you know what time it closes? It's my first time here. Nice place, isn't it? Do you come here often? Fantastic. You are doing great. Let's continue. Category 4. With neighbors. Making small talk with your neighbors shows friendliness and helps to build trust over time. How is everything with you? Your garden looks great. Lovely day for a walk, isn't it? Did you just move in? Let me know if you ever need anything. Your cat is so cute. Good to see you again. Wonderful. Let's move on to social situations. Category 5. During social events or parties. Parties can be a little scary if you don't know anyone. Small talk is the perfect way to meet new people. Hi, I'm Tom. What's your name? How do you know the host? Have you been here before? I love your outfit. The food is amazing, isn't it? Is it always this busy here? Where are you from? What do you do? Great to meet you. You see, with these phrases you can confidently talk to anyone. Category 6. In shops and cafes. A little bit of friendly chat with the staff or other customers can make your visit more pleasant. Busy today, isn't it? I love the coffee here. Any recommendations? The smell in here is amazing. It's my first time here. Have a great day. Perfect. Just a couple more categories to go. You are building a powerful toolkit. Category 7. During travel and transport. When you are on a bus, train, or plane, small talk can make the journey more comfortable. Is this seat free? Do you know when we arrive? Is this the right platform for the train to London? Long journey ahead? Do you travel often? I hope there are no delays. Is this your stop too? Safe travels. And now for our final and very popular category. Category 8. Talking about the weekend. The weekend is a favorite topic for small talk, especially on a Friday or a Monday. Let's practice what you can say before the weekend. Got any plans for the weekend? Now, let's practice what you can say after the weekend. How was your weekend? Did you do anything fun? And here are some simple ways to answer. I just relaxed at home. It went by so fast. I didn't do much, really. I caught up on sleep. Amazing work today. You have just practiced so many useful phrases. Conclusion. You are ready to start a conversation. We have covered a lot today. We learned what small talk is, why it's important, and we practiced over 100 sentences for many different everyday situations. I want you to remember the most important lesson. Small talk is not about being perfect. It's about being friendly. It's about connection. It's about taking a small step to talk to another person. Your mission now is to try. The next time you are in a coffee shop, or at work, or standing in a line, I want you to choose one simple phrase from this video and just say it. You might be surprised at how easy it is. You now have the tools. You have the phrases. You are ready to start conversations, sound more natural, and feel more confident in English. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I am so proud of the effort you have put in. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next lesson. And now, for your action step. Go to the comments below and write your favorite small talk sentence from this video. Let's fill the comments with friendly conversation starters. Keep practicing, stay confident, and remember that every big conversation starts with a little small talk. My name is Tom, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.